So I got fired. That's funny. I got fired from Notre Dame, and it was a big speaking engagement and a lot of money. And they saw my comedy cooking show where I showed women how to find their G-spot on a turkey for Thanksgiving. I was with my mom. It was hilarious. But I got an official letter saying that they had seen the comedy cooking show and they had not hired me to speak about women's sexuality. They had hired me to speak about violence against women. So they were terminating my contract. And at first I was like in this super apologetic, like, wait, that was funny and informative. And it was my mom and it was hilarious. And that's not what I'm going to do on stage. Wait, what? And then I had a long think about it. And the two are directly related. Violence against women and women's sexuality. If we honored women's sexuality and actually got more into the worship of the yoni and the utilizing of the female power and parts and lifted her up instead of muzzling and silencing and squelching her, make her whoosh, and you will reap the benefits of the Amrita. That's what it's called. And I was like, wait a second. Women's sexuality is directly related to violence against women. So thank you for firing me. That was amazing because you've just given me my lecture series. And now other places, hey, hire me again to come talk about women's sexuality and how it can eradicate violence against women. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, come again and again.